welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on eTV Scandal from the 14th to the 18th of April 2025 on Monday. Having dropped a huge bomb, Mthunzi offers someday an out. A father's generous gesture of love and protection is met with an unexpected rejection. A street-smart opportunist turned a simple skill into a lucrative grind on Tuesday. Mthunzi's scheme bear fruit plucked out of Nhloso's hands, but Toto sees the brighter side of his situation. With a nudge from Ephraim, Kedibone takes things into her own hands on Wednesday. Love crosses paths again. A father still offers a refuge should his daughter's choice not work out. Teps realizes that the price of success turns out to be a lot of hard work on Thursday. Mthunzi put his father under pressure. When artists attempt to introduce their music to family, it doesn't quite land. But Toto saves the day and Teps is impressed on Friday. Father and the son discover shocking truth about each other. Toriso ruffles some feathers as she makes changes in her new family. Teps makes Pototo a nice offer, but will he take it? I'm sorry guys. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.